Imagine taking the elegant design language of macOS Sequoia, combining it with the freedom of Linux, and then adding a level of speed and customization that Apple users can only dream about. That is exactly why some Linux distributions are gaining massive attention in 2026. They are offering beautiful desktop experiences, smooth animations, modern application layouts, and a polished interface that feels familiar to Mac users, but without expensive hardware requirements or restrictive software ecosystems. For years, many people believed that a premium-looking operating system required a premium price tag. Apple built its reputation around a carefully designed user experience, with clean interfaces, organized settings, and a focus on simplicity. However, the Linux community has been working hard to prove that an open-source operating system can deliver the same level of visual quality while giving users complete control over their computers. One distribution that represents this movement is becoming known as a macOS-inspired alternative. This Linux distro takes inspiration from the modern macOS Sequoia appearance, featuring a clean desktop layout, smooth window management, a centered dock, transparent effects, rounded corners, and a minimalist approach. But unlike macOS, this operating system is completely free, open source, and can run on a wide range of hardware. You do not need a MacBook Pro, an expensive iMac, or Apple's ecosystem to experience a beautiful desktop environment. One of the biggest reasons users are switching to these macOS-style Linux distributions is performance. While macOS is highly optimized for Apple hardware, it is limited to devices produced by Apple. Linux, on the other hand, can run on older laptops, custom-built desktops, and powerful workstation machines. Many users discover that their computers feel faster after moving from heavier operating systems because Linux gives them more control over background processes, system resources, and installed software. The visual similarities are one of the first things people notice. The desktop often includes a dock at the bottom of the screen, similar to macOS, where applications can be launched quickly. The top panel provides system information, menus, and notifications in a way that feels familiar to Mac users. The use of transparency, blur effects, and modern icons creates an experience that feels premium, even though the entire operating system is available at no cost. But the real advantage is not just appearance. Underneath the beautiful interface is the power of Linux. Users get access to thousands of open-source applications, powerful development tools, advanced customization options, and complete control over their system. If you want to change the theme, modify the desktop layout, install different software repositories, or completely redesign the interface, Linux allows you to do it. Another major benefit is privacy. Many people are becoming more concerned about how operating systems collect data and track user behavior. Linux distributions generally focus on transparency because their code is publicly available for review. Instead of being locked into a single company's ecosystem, users have the ability to choose what software they install and how their system operates. For creative professionals, developers, students, and everyday users, these macOS-inspired Linux systems provide an interesting balance. They offer a visually attractive environment that feels modern and professional, while still maintaining the flexibility that Linux is famous for. A person who has never used Linux before can often feel comfortable within minutes because the layout is familiar and intuitive. Performance is another area where these distributions shine. Many Linux desktops are designed to be lightweight and efficient, meaning applications can open faster, startup times can be shorter, and older hardware can receive a second life. A laptop that struggles with modern operating systems may become surprisingly responsive after installing a lightweight Linux environment with a macOS-inspired design. Customization is where Linux truly separates itself from macOS. Apple controls almost every aspect of the macOS experience. Users can adjust some settings, but the overall design philosophy remains fixed. Linux users can completely transform their desktop. They can make it look like macOS Sequoia, Windows 11, a futuristic interface, or something completely original. The operating system becomes a personal workspace instead of a fixed product. Many of these distributions also focus on improving the beginner experience. In the past, Linux had a reputation for being difficult and requiring technical knowledge. Today, modern installers, software stores, automatic hardware detection, and user-friendly settings have changed that image. A new user can install Linux, connect to Wi-Fi, browse the web, watch videos, edit documents, and complete everyday tasks without needing advanced command-line skills. The rise of these beautiful Linux distributions also represents a bigger shift in the technology world. Users are no longer satisfied with simply accepting whatever operating system comes pre-installed on their devices. They are looking for freedom, privacy, speed, and control. Linux provides an alternative where the user is in charge instead of being limited by corporate decisions. Of course, there are still differences between a macOS-inspired Linux desktop and the real macOS experience. Some professional applications designed specifically for Apple devices may not be available on Linux. Certain hardware features and ecosystem integrations are unique to Apple products. However, for many people, the benefits of speed, customization, and freedom outweigh those limitations. The most exciting part is that Linux continues to evolve rapidly. Desktop environments are becoming more polished, hardware support is improving, and developers are creating better applications every year. What once looked like a hobbyist operating system is now becoming a serious competitor for everyday computing. The idea that Linux must look outdated or complicated is disappearing. A macOS Sequoia-inspired Linux distribution proves that open-source software can compete with the most beautiful operating systems in the world. It combines the elegance of Apple's design philosophy with the flexibility and power of Linux. It gives users a premium-looking desktop experience without forcing them to buy expensive hardware or surrender control over their computers. For anyone who loves the look of macOS but wants more freedom, better hardware compatibility, and complete control, this type of Linux distribution offers an exciting possibility. It shows that the future of desktop computing does not have to belong to only one company. A faster, customizable, and completely free operating system is already here, and it is proving that great design and open-source freedom can exist together.